Albert Einstein Facts. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. He was born in Ulm, Württemberg, Germany. Albert Einstein had a large, misshapen head. Albert Einstein did not have a middle name. Albert Einstein's first wife, Mileva Maric, was a physicist and mathematician. Einstein's first marriage lasted 16 years. He divorced his first wife in 1919. Einstein and Maric had two sons who were called Hans Albert and Eduard. Albert Einstein was an agnostic. Einstein married his cousin, his second wife Elsa. To avoid military service, he renounced his German citizenship at age 17. Einstein was a talented violinist. Albert Einstein was offered the chance to be president of Israel. Einstein never won a Nobel Prize for the general or special theory of relativity. He was awarded the prize in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect. Edgar Hoover tried to keep Einstein out of the USA, only to be overruled. He officially became a US citizen in 1940. The photo of Einstein sticking his tongue out was taken on his 72nd birthday. Einstein loved to smoke a pipe. Albert Einstein refused to learn to drive. Einstein had an affair with Margarita Konenkova, a scientist and Russian spy. Einstein was director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. Einstein didn't like wearing socks. His works were among those burned in the famous Nazi book, Burnings. Albert Einstein didn't actually fail math, an urban myth. Albert Einstein slept for around 10 hours a day. Einstein syndrome is the condition of delayed speech in those who are gifted. Einstein worked at a patent office for 7 years. The FBI kept a dossier on Einstein because of his ties with various organizations. He died in 1955 due to an aneurysm. Thomas Stoltz Harvey stole Albert Einstein's brain after his death. Einsteinium is the 99th element on the periodic table. Einstein's eyes and wrinkles were worked into the design of Yoda.